I'm showing you real quick how I got 8 dinners for $20 out of one turkey. Now, I paid 98 cents for this turkey that was on sale in my town, but let me tell you, I have had reports from my viewers of anywhere from 39 cents a pound to 59 cents a pound, or even getting free turkeys. Yes, be sure to check out Kimmy's video. She got a free turkey. I'll put the link in the description below. You can make 8 dinners, the entire dinner, including everything, for $20. A minimum of 8 dinners. I probably could have stretched this to 10 or 12 dinners, but guys, this is super, super cheap meat at 49 cents a pound. For the turkey, that's just 10 bucks for the turkey, and then $10 for all the rest of the ingredients to make the rest of the dinners. That is super, super cheap. This is how to roast a turkey. I got my turkey roaster for $1 at the thrift store, but if you don't have one of these, I would get a disposable aluminum pan like this and just roast your turkey in that and just make it everything disposable. I just think my roaster is kind of cool, so I line my roaster with foil. This is the most delicious and the easiest turkey you will ever make. Then just let your turkey drain. You do not need to wash it. Take out the guts. Make sure you take the packet out. Let me interject here and just say, every year people get their bloomers in a bunch because I don't wash the turkey. Even the CDC, which I know no one has faith in anymore, but even the CDC says you should not wash your poultry before cooking. If your temperature gets up to 165 degrees, bacteria cannot live over 165 degrees. So why do you want to be splatting bacteria-contaminated turkey juice all over the kitchen by washing it? You don't think you're splatting it? You are. You're splatting it all over the walls, all over the dishes you've got out, everything. So stop washing your turkey and your chickens. You're going to take your turkey breast and you're going to put it breast side down. Your little pop-up thing is on the breast side. So you want to turn it just like that. You're going to take 1 stick of salted butter. Then where the legs are tied together, you're gonna stick your stick of butter in there. That's it. If you're using the roasting pan, just put your lid on. Otherwise, you're gonna take your foil and you're going to completely seal your entire pan. Get it all the way around, just like this. Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1. Then you're gonna roast your turkey at 200 degrees, and then I'll show you how you know if your turkey is done. If you want the crispy skin, just leave the foil off. You can do it. And it won't be quite as moist, but it will just literally fall off the bones. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. Oh man, that's good. Oh, really good. Okay, so our first night is turkey dinner. And for everyone who is worried about food safety, you can see that it gets way above the 165 degrees that poultry needs to be totally cooked. I know it looks bad, but oh my goodness, it tastes delicious. To freeze the turkey carcass for later for broth, just wrap it in your foil like I'm doing it here and just throw the whole thing in the freezer. Or if you want, I'm dividing mine up. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we already had 1 meal. So that makes 8 dinners from this $120 turkey. So then, just fold it up. My foil from the top. Yeah, it's kind of greasy on the bottom, so I'm going to get another piece of foil. There we go. Then we just fold all this up. Now, I would divide this into 2 or 3 because this is a huge turkey. This is a 20-pound turkey, so I'm going to divide this into 2 or 3. But you get the point. Just wrap it in foil, throw it in a freezer bag. Hi, Dave. And then later you can make your turkey soup. in the Instant Pot or Crock Pot, however you want to do it. If you need a really good turkey soup recipe, Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1. There, these ones are all packed up for the freezer or fridge. And then I've got one set of bones right there, cooking for my broth. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cook up the rest of my broth tonight, so I put the rest in the fridge. Now what I do with these packets is I put them in the freezer and then I make the meals later. But if you want, you could do them all at once. Just freeze half the packets and put the other half in the refrigerator and make your turkey dinners. Then you have your meat all cooked and you just have to throw it in with the rest of your ingredients for your dinners. Here are the rest of the dinners that I'm making. First of all, we're gonna eat turkey dinner twice because, I mean, who doesn't just love turkey, mashed potatoes, and gravy? Oh my goodness, it's just so delicious. So we're gonna have that twice. Also, just on the turkey dinners, if I have leftovers from my turkey dinner, or I will make double or triple the batch, and I will either line a baking pan with foil, or I'll just get those disposable foil pans at Dollar Tree, and I'll just put a blop of mashed potatoes and a blop of vegetables and then the turkey and put gravy all over the top in the foil. And I just have my own TV dinners that I throw straight in the oven. Super easy to do. Just throw it in the oven, let it bake for 350 for 20 or 30 minutes to warm it up, and you've got your own dinner with no mess. Everything's disposable. The next dinner we're gonna have is Cobb salad. Actually, it seems kind of strange to have a salad, but it's kind of refreshing to have something not quite so heavy in the middle of the holiday season. We're going to have our turkey soup. Yes, we love turkey soup. So yummy. Keep it simple with just celery and carrots. If you want to add potatoes, you can, but I just keep it super simple. Also, if you need a good thickener, leftover mashed potatoes makes a great thickener for soups. Turkey sandwiches, oh my goodness, we could get several lunches out of turkey sandwiches. We love turkey sandwiches, but toast the bread and then you have a fancy turkey sandwich. Turkey pot pies, turkey mushroom bake, and then ranch turkey pasta. That is how you get 8 turkey dinners, which I could probably stretch to 10 or 12, for just $20. That's almost a half a month's worth of dinners for just $20. That's a stinking good deal. All of the links for these recipes are in the description below, and the links for all of the items that I showed in this video.